Alright, hey, this is Hino with Friends Around Protecting Families, we're protecting the pack. We got some barrels here. We're going to be cutting a hole here to do our biochar kiln, retro, whatever they call it. So, anyways, I just got this TackLife thing, and I was able to drill a hole, but to drill a 4-inch hole, you need a that metal cutting thing. I was able to drill a tiny hole, but I was trying to get this hole saw cutter, and it just wouldn't even pierce the steel lid. So hopefully this will work, and if not, I'm gonna have to switch bits. And all I need to do is really cut it big enough to fit this. Might go with this one with smaller teeth. I think the smaller teeth will be able to cut it better. I'm not sure. I might try both, see which is best. But I'll go with the smaller one first, and maybe switch it out later. So maybe at least big enough to fit that guy in, and I think that should do it. So we'll see if this one cuts. Ooh, not the best, but it looks like it messed it up. It really grinds down the bits. So probably have to go with the metal one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and I know that fits, so that's all I need. So let's go ahead and get this going, and see how do I load this up. I think it's just like that. Turn that, slide that guy in. And it's locked in. Oh, cool. I haven't read the instructions, and I usually don't. Oh, it's a laser, cool. Alright, let me see how the laser works. And let's plug it in and see what happens. There we go. Plug here. And so this is a review on the TackLife Jig Saw. I guess there's a laser version and a non-laser version. And I think I opted for the laser version. So let's go ahead and there's speed adjustment. Probably safety, I'm guessing. Maybe not. Or maybe you have to go the other way. Lower. I'm not plugged in. So let me get that going here. Should do it. It's running, so that's our way of turning it on. Okay, so I guess you can do that and lock it in so you don't have to keep on holding it. It's variable speed adjustments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Laser. There's a laser. It smells like a light. Oh, there's a little. Yeah, you can see a little laser beam. It's a little dark. I don't know if you can see it here, but there's a laser. So I'll go ahead and glue that on, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut this up. Here he goes. My friend said it cuts just like butter. I'm gonna go over here. Maybe I should have went the other way. Maybe I'm gonna move it out just so I could cut it properly. I would make sure you spin it before you move it, and I did cut it off a little bit. Alright, so not the perfect circle here, but I'll go ahead and trim off a little bit. Definitely have glasses on because I did get some metal stuff and gloves. You don't get yourself and I will probably maybe just cut it off. Alright, well, there you have it, my perfect-ish circle. I do like that it has a little bearing here so that it kind of lies back and forth nicely on this little thing while keeping it steady. And so far it does the job. So let me still go ahead and get my sleeve here. I bought a sleeve, kind of see if it fits. I don't know. Like, so far I'm very impressed with it. It cuts just like butter. Smaller teeth definitely will do the job. And here's my stuff here I got from Home Depot. We're building a little playground here for the kids, and then we'll see if this fits. So I don't know how to use this properly. Let me put this down. I think you're supposed to just do this. Slide it in there maybe. Yeah, lock it in. And then somehow slide it in. Well, at least that works. And I think, I don't know how I want to do this. I want to bend it like that. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I'll stand it right there so it doesn't fall in. Flip this thing over. The other side. I'm just gonna fold those flashes in. And so it looks like you could probably, you know, do that. And that'll keep it in. I don't think I'm gonna secure it another way, and then slip this guy in and then secure it on this guy. I think. Okay. This off. Okay. Alright, then. In. Let me get the straightest version. I'll probably have to modify this a little bit. Sure, there's a better way of doing this. Got a damaged product. Okay. Well, let's go this for now so you get the idea. This is gonna go right in there. And we got ourselves a chimney. I like it. It's a little longer, but I think it'll hold. So we're ready to make some biochar. Now we're gonna drill some holes in the bottom. Probably will use my steel holes. I might even use that to cut some holes if I need to make bigger ones, and then go from there. But yeah, I'm gonna have to drill some holes, maybe a couple inches up here, 2 or 3, and maybe 4 to 6, 8 columns of it, and then I think that's it. And then I need to make some holes in this here, and then biochar, put biochar in there upside down inside, and we'll stuff it in with wood chips and wood, you know, wood, and light it up, and we're good. Alright, thanks for watching. Links in the description below on getting this TackLife on Amazon. I definitely am impressed with it. Cuts just like butter, and that's really all I need it for. I'm trying to return it. No, I'll probably keep it. It's a good tool, and I definitely like it. So, alright, thanks for watching. Bye then.